Isulat niyo ang answer. It is composed. Paminaw. Hala, ato riyanig mo ni. It is composed of the sun, the celestial bodies that revolve around it, including the planets, with their satellites, comets, and meteors. Yung sama na siya.
Meteor?
Naadari ang Sun, ang Earth, ang Venus, ang Mars. Naadira. Unsay tawagan na sa nila ka? Number 2. Number 2 of 3, ma'am. Oh, 2 of 3. What are the 2 major theories? Sama 2 major theories. Mike, Bili. Ang 2 major theories sa solar system. What are the 2 major theories? Duha na to sila. Hala, nakalimot na yung sila. Ering. Sige, consider lang na ako ang mali nga spelling. Basta kay maubasa ako. Sige. What are the 2 major theories of the solar system? The blank theory and the blank theory. Sa ma'am? Number 2, number 3.